Let's talk about when to choose repair or replacement of your HVAC system. No two situations are going to be the same. A couple of things to consider there. How long do you intend on being in the home? What are the repair costs versus the replacement costs, and what is the age of your HVAC system? I typically believe that if a system is greater than 10 years old, you're better off to take the money that you are going to invest in repair and put that into a new HVAC system where you're going to pick up efficiencies and extended warranties. If your house is going to hit the market in the next couple of years, it may be a good idea to just go ahead and make the repair to your HVAC system if the system is less than 10 years old. On the other hand, if you know that you're going to be in the home for many years to come, this is probably going to be a good time to go ahead and take the money that you would invest in the repair and put it into a new piece of equipment. It's going to give you new extended 10-year warranties and increase the operating efficiency of your system. Each month you're going to begin to save money. Now, what system do you choose for your home? When selecting a system, Climate Masters has 5 Carrier heat pump systems that you can choose from. Have Carrier's 24 SEER Green Speed Infinity system, the 18 SEER 5-stage system, the 16 SEER 2-stage performance system, the 16 SEER single-stage performance system, or for our budget customers, we have the 14 SEER single-stage system. Now, how do you choose? What makes sense in your home? All the different efficiency levels will come in a tonnage that is designed for your home. Let's just go for a plain example of a 3-ton system. It doesn't matter if you're using 24 or the 14 SEER. 3 tons of cooling capacity is 3 tons of cooling capacity. The higher that SEER number, 14, 15, 16, 18, or 24 SEER, the higher the number, the less energy it consumes to achieve that 3 tons of cooling capacity. Now, the 14 and 16 SEER machines are the same compressor technology that you've probably been using all of your life, single-stage air conditioners. The 16 SEER is a 2-stage compressor, the 18 SEER is a 5-stage compressor, and the 24 SEER has a variable stage compressor. Now, what does that mean to a homeowner? When it was determined that 3 tons of air conditioning was what was needed in your home, manual J load calculations were run. Manual J load calculations determine how many BTUs of heat a structure is taking on in 1 hour when it's 93 degrees outside. So we can determine how many BTUs of heat needs to be extracted from this home every hour when it's 93 degrees outside to maintain 72 degrees inside. That's how we select the tonnage. So with a single speed air conditioner, it doesn't matter if it's 75 degrees outside or if it's at design 93 degrees outside. You get the full capacity. However, when it is 75 or 80 degrees and we've got that south wind blowing here in the Mobile area, you don't need the full capacity, but your system's going to operate at that full capacity unless you have multi-stage. With the 16 SEER system, the low-stage compressor operates down to 60% of its total capacity. The majority of the time, you're going to operate at that lower capacity and lower energy consumption. And then when it is hot and you need the full capacity, the system's going to kick into the high stage and deliver the full capacity to your home. And you'll be able to stay comfortable year-round, but you'll be saving money most of the year at the lower energy cost, low stage running times. With Carrier's 18 SEER Infinity system, 5-stage, that system runs down to as low as 25% of total capacity and hits increments in 5 stages until it gets to the total capacity that it's designed for at 100%. This allows you to more accurately match the current load conditions for energy savings. Carrier's 24 SEER Green Speed, now this system operates with a variable stage compressor. Its low stage operating is at 40% of its designed total capacity. Being a variable stage compressor, it's able to ramp up in increments of 1%. So it hits 41%, 42%, 43%, all the way until it ramps up to the full capacity of the 100% 3 tons of cooling capacity. This gives you direct energy savings. It allows your system to match perfectly what the current operating conditions are so that you're not wasting energy. Additional features of the 16, 18, and 24 SEER systems are a variable stage indoor blower section. This allows for enhanced dehumidification. The carrier control coupled with that air handler not only monitors the temperature of the space, but also the relative humidity in the space. If the control sees that the relative humidity is creeping up, it will reduce the blower speed of the indoor air handler. This allows the cooling coil to become colder and have more moisture in the air condensed to be removed from the air. That allows you to be more comfortable at higher temperatures, again, saving you money. Any of the systems that we have to offer will keep you comfortable in your home. If you would like more information on any of the systems that we've talked about, go to our website or give us a call today for one of our comfort specialists to come out to your home free of charge to give you an analysis of what system is going to fit best in your home. You can reach us at 626-9231. I'm Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.